are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I'm...
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. Let's go right into our tutorial. What you will need for this project: first step, the fabric that measures 50 centimeters by 12 centimeters. That's going to be our handles for our bag, and we are going to be ironing this out. We're going to take this to the machine and we're going to sew all the way down here and then all the way here as well on both. You should have both handles sewn. Put that aside. Go ahead and get our other fabric. This is going to be the outside of the bag. That measures 66 centimeters by 16 centimeters. I'm going to flip it this way. At the 42 centimeters, we're going to fold this in half. Put a little pressure and just press down on that. So we're going to be putting our tag on there. And so you're going to put it about 7 centimeters down in the center of that line. And then you're going to sew that on there. Go ahead and place our handles on this bag. 12 centimeters from here and then 12 centimeters from here. So we're going to position this. Same thing over here, 12 centimeters. And then the other one's going to sit on it like that as well. Mark from here to here is 12 centimeters. And then you're going to, from that line, you're going to sit inside of that line. So right here, right here, right here, and right here. Should now look like that. I'm gonna fold this over, make sure it's evened out. All right, and all we want to do is just mark that spot right there. Measure about 6 centimeters up. Draw a line. Flip this over and do the same thing on the other side. Open that up. We iron in this section. We're gonna iron it, okay? I'm gonna flip it like this. That same line. Iron that down. Okay, we're gonna open that up. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other one as well. Once you finish ironing that out, we're going to flip this over. Wrong side, the handle should be turned in like that, okay? Take these two ends right here, this piece right here, and this one right here, and we're going to fold those two together, all right? Turn it around so you can see it a little better. You're going to be sewing down these ends right here. You should have both of the sides sewn. I'm just gonna turn this inside out. It's supposed to look after you finish sewing it. Let's put that aside and work on the bag closure where the cord goes through. So you're gonna need 42 centimeters by 16 centimeters. And you're going to be folding these two. I'm gonna iron up both of these down. You're gonna flip that over. This one you're gonna I'm gonna take this and we're gonna sit this on top of this one here, right side facing together. We're gonna mark here 5.5 centimeters here, and then 5.5 centimeters here, 5.5 centimeters here, and 5.5 centimeters here. And then you're gonna sew all the way here and then stop right here at this line here, and stop right there at that line as well. You're gonna sew and then stop at that line, and sew and then stop at that line. You should have 2 holes right there. The hole right there. So let's go ahead and fold this down, flatten it. Take this to iron. Do the same thing for the other one. And turn it over, it should not look like that. And we are going to sew right down here, right down here. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other side as well. Sew down, way down there, and then you're going to sew again right down here. You finish sewing, should now look like that. That part that we iron out, we're just gonna fold that in. That corner that we have our hold, the one that looks like this, we are going to be marking 2.5 centimeters straight over. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side, 2.5 centimeters. And we are going to be sewing all the way around. All the way around. Okay. The line that we drew. You now have it sewn all the way around. Let's get our bag, and we're going to take this part here, the one that has the hold, these two. I'm going to put my hands inside of here like this, and I'm going to stick this in here and slide that on there like that. This needs to line up with this inside here. Make sure both of them are lining up. Bring that down. Do the same thing for the other side as well. Make sure both lines are connecting, touching each other. Pin everything in place. You're gonna go to your machine and you're gonna sew all the way around. All right, once you finish sewing all the way around, now look like that. Your 2 other pieces that measures 42 inch by 34. Just double it up. I just put one on top of the other. On the 42 section, you're going to be marking 6 centimeters up, 6 centimeters on the bottom as well. And then you're going to cut both of these out. Let's put that aside for a minute. and we're gonna work with our pocket. Fabric that measures 32 centimeters by 22, okay? And we're gonna flip it up this way, and then we are going to fold this down, right side facing together, and we're marking at this folded part. There's 7 centimeters and another 7 centimeters on this side as well. So all the way down here, and then we're gonna come all the way here and then stop at those 2 lines right there and leave a gap. I'll cut these corners. Now, put this side out. Iron this out. And then we're gonna go to machine, not the part that has the gap, okay? Don't sew that part. We're just gonna sew at the top of this right here. Once you finish, it should now look like that. Now we're gonna get one of our lining, fold this in half. There it is. And then with the pocket, we're gonna do the same thing. Just measure this down. And then we're gonna line it up, making sure both of them touch the center of each other, that line. And from the top here, 9 centimeters, you're gonna measure. And then we're gonna sew all the way down, across, and then up. You should now have it sewn. We're gonna take our other lining and we're gonna put it right side together facing each other. 8 centimeters, 8 centimeters, mark there, right there. And you're gonna leave that gap. We are going to sew all the way down here. You're gonna sew right here and you're gonna stop right there at the line. Then you're gonna sew on this side as well, all the way down. And then you're gonna sew all the way here and then stop right there at that line. We are going to be sewing these 2 ends up as well. Fold them. Both lines are touching each other. And then do the same thing for the other side as well. And then you're gonna sew straight down here and you're gonna sew down here. You should have both ends sewn. Let's get our bag. Turn that inside out. This is going to be position is right now. Make sure the tag is sitting in this position right here. And then our bag, the pocket's going to sit upwards. And then we're going to be putting it into the bag. Let's go ahead and match the corners. Making sure this corner, the line, and these 2 lines are touching each other. I'll do the same thing for the other side. Now pin everything in place. Now you're gonna go to machine and you're gonna sew, start from this end here, sew all the way around. Come back to that end. Once you finish sewing all the way around, we are going to pull that bag through. And we're going to go to the machine and sew that gap. So straight across. Once you finish, you should now have that gap closed. Okay, and we're going to tuck this in. Okay, we're going to do one more sewing after this, and that's it for the sewing. We're going to go to a machine and we're going to sew this section here all the way around. All the way around. And come back. Okay, and make sure when you are sewing around here, make sure your handle is sitting upwards, okay? Like that, not down. Okay, we want the handles to sit up. And then you're going to sew. you should have it sewn. That all the way. Over in the back. All the way around. We're gonna go ahead and put our cord through, and then we're finished. So you're gonna need a cord. Yourself out 110 centimeters cord, and just get 2 of them. And then we're going to be using a hairpin to feed that through. I'm gonna put some tape at the tip of the end of this, because I'm going to be putting some wooden beads on there, and I want it to be able to slide in very easily. So get yourself a hairpin, and then you can just put it on like that, and then we're going to feed it through the hole. So just start with one of those holes, and then continue it through the other one as well. Next cord that we're going to do, we're going to go from this end here, and we're going to go through it, and then we're going to go all the way around and bring it back through. It comes out at this end here, where the other cord's at. Now you should have 2 cords, one on one end and one on the other end, like that. You can put our beads on there. I'm going to tie a knot at the end, like that. And finish putting cords in there, and then you just pull that. Look at that. So pretty, y'all. Pretty. And I made this other one here as well. And I used the bigger cords for these one here. This is super duper cute. So pretty. Inside pocket. Okay. That's it for a tutorial, and you will definitely see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.